Xander? Are we ready? We're going to show Mommy that Xander can fly. And air Xander! Air Xander! Yeah.
There he goes.
There he is. Up goes the Xander. Down goes the Xander. Yes, they saw. They saw that Xander can fly.
One more time.
Shall Xander fly again? Ready? 1, 2, 3, fly! Air, baby! Air, baby! Air, baby! And then we bring him down gently, because he is baby, not midget. Do not toss.
You smile for the camera, Xander?
You look at the camera? You see Mommy? You smile for Daddy. Yeah. You want to fly again, don't you? He's like, if you don't mind. You like being high up? Like being able to look down on everybody? Yes. Mommy. You suck on your thumb from on high? Mr. Baby. What are you looking at?
All right, bye-bye.
Xander, say bye-bye.